Hey guys, so we're here with Matt Cole. We checked him out at Streetcar Takeover, what was it, a couple weeks back? And he had broke the record, what was it then?
820.
820 for the Trailblazer, all right? And that's absolutely moving. So we had made a challenge against him to run sevens out here because we know he can do it. We wanted him to run sevens, and he just almost accomplished that. I mean, it was an outrageous pass. The thing was moving 8.01. This is freaking crazy. You are right there. So how does it feel?
Feels good.
Feels good running that fast? So that's a new record.
Yeah.
New record. You just keep banging it in the head.
Keep knocking it out.
And now what do we got going on now? We're looking at it. We just heard it start real quick. Man, this thing will barely turn over.
The pass before the finals of Late Model Heads Up,
right?
I had a buy run, so I put more in it, and it pulled a gigantic wheelie and put it on the back bumper. Slammed down. It hit so hard I couldn't turn the car off. It knocked the ignition switch out of the car.
Good Lord.
And so I got it all put back together, made it late model, made that pass, and made some changes to keep the nose down, and it worked, made a lick. So then I went right back up and hot lapped it and made another pass to make a quarter-mile pass, and it just went the 801, but I just noticed the mid plate is bent, so something's kind of in a bind in there or something, so
Gotcha.
they put it on the trailer.
So you're done for the day?
Yeah, I'm not gonna try it. It's mid plate's bent, so
Gotcha.
we'll go home and fix it.
Go home and fix it, man. When do you think we'll have it done and see it again?
I don't know.
We're waiting for the 7. We want the 7, man. This thing's got it. You just ran at 801. We can hit a 7.
Yeah.
We're talking 0.2 seconds. You know, we're absolutely ready for it. Now, it's amazing, man. The wheelie, though, I didn't get a chance to film the wheelie, but I was standing out there, and it literally looked like you were gonna roll the car over. You know what I mean? Like
That's
I
the
was
biggest
like,
wheelie I've ever
oh,
been in it.
yeah.
I had a little heart attack moment.
Yeah, that was pretty wild. What do you think made you wheelie like that? Your boost spike, something coming off the line?
So I kept putting more boost in it all day yesterday.
Right.
I was ramping it in sooner. The turbo wasn't responding. It was the same boost curve every time.
Right.
So that pass, I just said, forget trying to ramp it, all of it.
All right.
And it ramped it. It probably left on another 100 horsepower.
Wow. Yeah, and that almost flipped the car over. That's great, man. That is great. Did you turn it down?
Yeah, so we went back, we strapped the nose down and pulled some timing and everything out of it to kind of keep it under control.
Gotcha. Cool deal, man. Well, it looks great still, even though it's broke. I wish you the best of luck. I hope it's really something easy, you know, and it's just got the engine in the bind. But can't wait to see it again, man.
I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Thank you.
on with Stitch, man? I ain't seen it around lately. What are you doing with it?
We were trying to get ready for Rocky Mountain Race Week, and we ran into a folding issue. So we finished it, but when we put the motor in there, I had to take a 2x4 and beat that firewall in.
Right, I saw that.
So
You
it's
just
in
got
the
it
paint shop.
painted too, right?
Yeah, so it's back at the paint shop right now.
Gotcha.
And so when we get back to Texas, I'm going to run out to Thompson Motorsports and pick up the motor,
Right.
and then run over to Lakeside Collision and pick up the truck.
Hell yeah.
We'll put it back together.
That's awesome, man. That's awesome. And what's is the setup changed with it? I know you do like a Frankenstein intercooler and stuff.
Yeah, Thompson Motorsports comes with 427 torque. And then we put a set of the Frankenstein F7 heads on it with their Iceman intake.
Gotcha.
And we added a gear benders overdrive and trying to set up where we can drive on the street.
Right.
It's heavy. We added an ice tank and all the
Right.
typical goofy boosted type stuff that goes with it.
Right.
And so we should be able to utilize the nitrous even more now with the motor that we have. We were tapped on the top of the one.
Gotcha.
So it should make some good power. It should be fun to drive.
Hell yeah.